In this video, I'm going to show you how to start making £20 a day. Now, you can do this in the US, Europe, England. It does not matter because this is just a strategy that you can use to make cash. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how to start making money online. So go smash that subscribe button and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, how are we going to start making this cash? What do we need to do? How are we going to do it? Well, you're going to be using Fiverr and another site. Now, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use this and start making sales. So, we're going to be making intros and outros for people on YouTube. Now, you're probably thinking, that's great, but I can't create anything. I don't know anything about graphics. This is completely useless to me. Well, it's not, because you're not actually going to be making these intros yourself. You are going to be outsourcing this to a different website. This is arbitrage. Now, I've spoke about arbitrage a lot on this channel before because it's a really easy model to grasp and do. So, how are we going to be making these intros? Well, first of all, you can see with these intros, people are selling them for £20, £4, £4, so that would be $5. If we scroll down, £16, £20. So you can easily create these intros, create a gig on Fiverr, and start selling them. Now, where do we get these? Well, there's a website called tubearsenal.com. Now, there's lots of these different websites out there just like this, but for this example, we're going to be using Tube Arsenal. So if we scroll down a little bit, we can actually see there's lots of different templates that you can use. So let's just go ahead and click on one of these templates. Let's go for this one. Now, these templates are completely customizable. So just here is where we preview the intro. So I'm just going to mute that. And if we play the intro, this is what it would look like. Now, over here on the right hand side is where you completely change everything. So say you've made a gig on Fiverr, you have a sale, your customer has given you their details. All you do is take their details over to here. You'd put in their channel name just here, so that would be their channel. You could put in another word here, or their domain name if they have a website, so we could just put their channel.com. You can change the color in here, the color change. You can change the title color just here. Then once you've done that, all you would do is press preview movie. Now, this is going to render what you have just made, and we'll take a look at that in just a second. But this is how easy it is to create intros with no graphic skills. Now, when you go to create your first gig on Fiverr selling these intros, what I suggest you do is go through some of the top sellers. Let's click on this one. Have a look at their description and model your gig on theirs, or multiple different gigs. So if we scroll down, we can see how they've worded their description. We can see what they have here, what kind of video. So if we scroll down, you can see they sell the basic for £20, then 60 and 118. And if we scroll down some more, you can see how they've actually worded their gig. Now, have a look at multiple different gigs and model yours on theirs. Okay, so that's pretty easy. So let's just head back over and take a look at this. We can now see that the intro has been rendered, and if we press play, we can now see that the words have changed. So that's how easy it is to create an intro. Very, very easy. Now, how do we actually get sales for this? Well, you can use just the Fiverr marketplace and make sales that way. And you can also use a different method which I'm about to show you. So this website is called YouTube Crawler. That's youtubecrawler.com. Now, as always, I am going to leave links to all of these websites in the description below so you can go through and check them out. Now, with YouTube Crawler, you can type in any channel name. You can put in a category. So let's just go for people and blogs. So we do that. Then we can choose a language. I'm going to leave that at English. Countries, we can leave that. So that will pull up all countries. Limit results. Nope. Then we want subscribers. You want to find a channel with under 5,000 or even 1,000 to 5,000. You want a channel with not very many subscribers and which is not very popular and doesn't have an intro, so you can sell them your services. Then all we do is click search. Now this is going to pull up multiple YouTube channels that you could potentially go through, have a look and possibly sell them an intro. Now as we can see, there's so many different channels out there that doesn't have many subscribers. Something wrong, so that's pulled it wrong. So let's just go back for a second. Subscribers 5, let's do 0 to 5,000. I put that in wrong, so let's just click search again. Now as I stated, this is going to pull up a lot of different channels that you can go through, have a check their subscriber count, check to see if they have an intro and sell them your service. So as we can see now that I've done it right, you can see this person has just under 2,000 subscribers. This one has 2,228, 46, 454. So if we click on one of these, let's go for this one. We can see if they have an intro. So that's going to go directly to their channel. Now we can check here to see if they actually have an intro, and it looks like they don't. So you could potentially get in touch with this person, say you make intros and outros and sell them your service. You can actually upsell them to do thumbnails and a whole bunch of different stuff as well. Now by using this YouTube Crawler, gives you unlimited customers for you to find to sell your intros. And if they're interested, all you do is give them your link to your Fiverr gig so they can go through and purchase that. This is a really easy business model for you to start. You don't need any experience. Just remember that you want to price your intros at a reasonable price. So you can sell it for £20. Then go over to Tube Arsenal and buy it for $9, which is about £6, keeping that £14 profit. Really easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.